Good morning, English learners. Welcome back to Everyday English, the podcast where we help you speak real English in real situations.
I'm Sarah, and today we're excited to bring you a super relatable conversation, perfect for beginners. This is all about how friends actually talk when they wake up.
That's right, Sarah. We believe learning English is easiest when you hear it in real-life contexts. Today's focus is on a simple morning chat between two friends, Joey and Phoebe.
Exactly, Peter. If you've ever wondered how to start conversations in the morning or how to talk casually with friends, this episode is for you.
Let's imagine it's early morning. Joey and Phoebe have just woken up. The alarm has gone off, birds are singing, and they're still a bit sleepy.
Right, Peter. This is when English is usually the most natural, no fancy words, just friendly greetings and daily routines. It's a great way to practice what you'll actually say every day.
Absolutely. So, listeners, pay attention not just to the words, but also to the relaxed tone and simple questions they use.
Let's dive into their conversation and notice these real-life elements.
Joey starts with, "Good morning, Phoebes. Did you sleep well?" This is such a warm, common way to greet a friend and show you care.
Exactly. It's polite and personal. Phoebe replies, "Yeah, I did, but I still feel sleepy." Notice how she gives an honest answer. It's okay to say you're still tired.
If you want to connect with someone, asking about their sleep is simple yet friendly. It's a universal opener, right?
Definitely, and it's easy to remember. Plus, it's a good way to start conversations in any language.
Joey mentions, "I stayed up late watching that space movie again." Here, stayed up late means he went to bed much later than usual.
That's a phrase you'll hear a lot in English. And talking about what you watched or did the night before is a natural next step in conversations.
Phoebe's response, the one with the talking dog, adds humor and connection. It shows how inside jokes work between friends.
Exactly, Peter. Sharing favorite movies or funny moments helps build friendship and makes language learning enjoyable.
Joey asks, "What's the first thing you do when you wake up?" This is a great question to practice because routines use lots of basic verbs.
Phoebe says, "I stretch a little, drink some water, and then feed my cat." Here, stretch, drink, and feed are simple but essential actions.
Joey admits, "I just go straight to coffee." This shows how people have different habits and that's okay.
Comparing routines is a fun way to learn new vocabulary and understand cultural differences.
Joey suggests, "Maybe pancakes? You in?" This is a classic, casual way to invite someone to join an activity.
Yes, you in? Means, do you want to join? It's short, friendly, and used all the time among friends.
Phoebe replies, "Totally in." This shows excitement and agreement. Practicing these short responses makes your English sound natural.
Absolutely, and making plans in English is a practical skill for everyday life.
Let's review some key phrases from the chat. For example, "Did you sleep well?" is a polite question you can use with family or friends.
Stay up late describes going to bed after your usual time. It's commonly used when talking about evenings or weekends.
Stretch, drink, and feed are all simple verbs tied to morning routines. Practicing these helps you describe your day easily.
And don't forget casual phrases like, "You in?" These make your English sound friendly and modern.
Now it's your turn. Try repeating after us. "Good morning. Did you sleep well?" Practicing out loud helps you remember phrases and sound more fluent.
Next, try, "I check my phone, then I brush my teeth." These simple habits are great for building your vocabulary.
Can you describe your own morning routine in English? Start with, "I wake up, then I," and add your own actions.
Share your version in the comments or with a friend. Using English every day is the best way to improve.
You did an amazing job today. Every small step you take in English helps you build confidence and skills.
Remember, language learning is like exercise. The more you practice, the stronger you get. Even short daily sessions make a big difference.
So, keep listening and speaking with us. Practice makes perfect, and we're here to help every step of the way.
Stay motivated and don't forget to enjoy the process. English is a tool for making friends and exploring the world.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed today's episode. Your participation helps us create better content for you.
And hey, go drink some water like Phoebe, or maybe watch a space movie with a talking dog like Joey. Use these small moments to practice your English.
We love hearing your stories and routines in the comments. Every message is a chance to practice more English.
See you next time for another easy, real-life conversation. Keep practicing and have a wonderful day.